जय गुरुजी, जय गुरुजी, जय गुरुजी पाहि माम. श्री गुरुजी, श्री गुरुजी, श्री गुरुजी रक्षा माम. In sadhana, what is important is the faith. For a letter, stamp is very essential, you see. Faith is the stamp for the letter as such. What is faith? Shri Guru says, it is bhakti. I am indebted to you, O my Lord. Because of you, I can cherish upon this earth. I am 100% sure you are within, without, everywhere, protecting me from all sides. You are struggling for Lokahita. I am here, bowing down in front of you. Please repair me and prepare me. It is bhakti or faith. But for my God, I cannot do this. If you boast like this with 100% concentration and conviction, that is called faith. Applying basma, kumkum, it is a symbol of your faith, that is all. It is not faith. What is faith is, I am Shiva Dasa, I am Guru Dasa, I am Ganesha Dasa, I am Lakshmi Dasa, I am Maruti Dasa. I want to see Maruti, I want to hear Lakshmi, I want to be 100% obedient to my Lord Shiva. So this is the way faith you can exhibit in this world. So bhakti is the pH for the experiment as such. So your sadhana is 100% fulfilled when you have 100% faith or bhakti in your Lord as such. Select your Ishta Devata, inculcate 100% bhakti, tell everywhere with 100% ecstasy, I am Shiva Dasa. Bow down in front of Lord Shiva, pour incessant tears and humbly expect, I am your Dasa. I want you to be Vasa in my heart-mind complex. O Lord Shiva, I want to see you, I want to hear you. If you are 100% pure in your heart-mind complex, definitely your Ishta Devata succumbs to your faith, bhakti. From that, you can develop obedience or videyata. So if you inculcate 100% faith, you become 100% obedient to your Ishta Devata. So two sides of the same coin, bhakti and videyata, faith and obedience. But be sure, you live because of Lord only, fortify your zeroness and develop intimacy maximum. Then only sadhana is fulfilled. Otherwise, it becomes only Vedana or suffering or difficulty. So, Apta Nivedana is fulfilled when your faith is 100%. The faith should be the important thing for your cheerfulness and cheerfulness. I have faith 100% in my Lord. I will be bold forever because God is there protecting me. Never I am afraid of anything upon this world because this world is God's. It is His power pervading all in this universe. I am His devotee. I have 100% faith in Him. I have 100% obedience in Him. Therefore, He never forsakes me. For sadhana, this is very, very essential. No faith means no obedience. No obedience means no sadhana. Sadhana is a waste, it is merely a Vedana. So each and every second is very precious upon this earth because in my bank I am having only this second or moment. Past is past. I cannot recollect it again. Future is not certain. I cannot dream about my future. The present, this moment, this second is mine. So in this second, this moment, I should be 100% Shivadasa, Guruji Dasa, Lakshmi Dasa, Maruti Dasa. So be 100% sure that your God is within you. He is responsible for your words and works, propaganda, feelings, thoughts. So whatever you do, it is because of your faith in the Lord. So develop your faith. Inculcate maximum faith in your sadhana. Always say, develop faith in your sadhana, you win. What is faith? Without any haziness, shyness. I love my Lord. I owe everything to my Lord. I believe my Lord with 100% heart-mind complex. No fear, no laziness, no haziness, no shyness. I accept my Lord really as my caretaker. Because of prana, there is trana, yana, gana, dhyana, mauna, everything. So have faith in Lord. So this is the first and the foremost intimation in sadhana. Oh my mind, develop 100% faith in your Ishtadevata, and then only you can elevate yourself, enlighten yourself. You should instruct your mind carefully, cheerfully, sincerely, simply. It is very, very important. Never change your faith in your Lord. So you accept all gods. Forms are different, names are different, but the force is same. That is called Ekanishta. But faith is very important. When there is no faith, no obedience, no sadhana, it is only Vedana. So make up your mind to be 100% faithful to the Lord who is there within, who is there within your heart, pumping your fist-sized muscular organ heart 72 times per minute, you see, without any rest. So 5 liters of blood in our body, he pumps every times 50 ml of blood. It goes through the 10,000 miles blood vessels without any noise or voice. Silently, the Lord within does the salient work from womb to tomb without any second of rest. That is the beauty of the Lord within, you see. So develop faith in Him. Believe Him. Never say, I never believe the Lord within. Have 100% faith and say with loud voice, I love my God. Definitely I hear Him. I see Him. I visualize Him. I am really fortunate to have Lord Ganesha as my chosen deity working throughout womb to tomb in my heart-mind complex. Say like this, enjoy His presence like this, and develop 100% concentration, confidence, and climb up in the saga of your sadhana and experience bliss eternal, full, free of cost. So make up your mind and go ahead with 100% cheerfulness. Best of luck. I too pray for you. Jai Shri Guru Maharaj Ji Ki Jai.